Let's install a wireless keypad for a garage door. Extremely handy to have, especially if you're like my wife and I, love to go biking and would hate to take the garage door opener and lose it or deal with keys. So it's very simple, very minimal tools required. Let's do it in less than 30 minutes. Step 1 is to verify the garage door opener brand that you have. You might also need the model number since some keypads will only work with certain years. Universal remotes aren't always universal. Here I have a Wayne Dalton ProDrive 3222C, which looks compatible with this model of keypad. Let's add the battery. You can mount this first, but I find it easier just to work with the switch in your hand since it's battery powered. I could have saved myself this step if I had noticed when I opened the keypad that the keys were all illuminated, but oh well. Since these keypads are wireless, programming is super easy because you can do it in your hand while you're next to the garage door opener. Unfortunately, I lost all the footage of programming the keypad in my hand, so I re-recorded but with it now mounted. You can do it either way, but I promise you it's much easier to do with it not being mounted. With the keypad in your hand, push and hold the star and pound buttons until the flashing lights stop. This will put the keypad in learn mode. Now enter your 4-digit PIN followed by the pound sign. Instead of my code, you'll see just a picture of my dog. Now enter the 1-digit ID number of your garage door opener followed by the pound sign. In this case, Wayne Dalton is 9. Now on the actual garage door opener, click the program button and the light on the garage door opener should illuminate. Enter your 4-digit PIN followed by 0, and at least on the Wayne Dalton openers, the lights on the opener will start to flash to indicate a successful pairing. Installation is very easy. Pick a side of the garage you want the keypad on, as well as the desired height. I use a level to verify that it is installed plumb. I like to pre-drill the 2 holes for the screws that will hold the keypad using a small drill bit. The bottom screw for this model keypad is behind the battery, so we need to remove the cover to pre-drill that hole and then fasten it down. Once both holes are drilled and the keypad is plumb and level, we can now tighten it up fully and then verify that everything is working as expected. And just time to stitch everything back up. Now for the test, we come enter the super secret code, of which you won't be able to see. And now, fully automated. Like and subscribe, see you in the next video. And keep an eye on the lights on here, especially if they get dim, because the battery is almost dead and you want to make sure to replace this before you get locked out because you rely on this.